You need to protect your skin, just like any part of your body. The skin is the body's largest organ. Therefore, it is essential to ensure that your skin stays in good condition. This can only happen if you take proper care of your skin. As we continue, we encourage you to please like, share and subscribe to watch more of this video. Your skin can be beautiful if you are taking care of it. You cannot neglect your skin and still want it to glow. Instead, your skin will be dull because it lacks maintenance. Many people don't understand the importance of skincare. It is more than achieving beautiful skin. Skincare is a form of future investment. As you grow old, you will still have perfect and healthy skin. If you are not taking proper care of your skin, consider this the right time to do so. 1. Avoid smoking. Smoking is not only dangerous for your lungs, it also makes your skin look older than expected. Your skin will become pale, because the blood vessels in the outermost layer of your skin will be narrowed due to the smoke. It is also one of the significant factors that contribute to wrinkles. Your skin needs nutrients to keep it healthy, and it is deprived of this when you constantly smoke. Furthermore, the fiber that helps to give strength to the skin will be damaged. You can imagine what happens when your skin loses its elasticity. You will look older than your age. 2. Stress management. When you are constantly stressed, your skin will be affected negatively. Uncontrolled stress is dangerous to the body. Research has shown that many people experience acne breakouts due to poor stress management. Your skin is sensitive, and it needs to be pampered often. If you are experiencing a tough time at work, take a break to relax. This will help you to clear your head. There are many ways to stress management. This includes learning a new hobby, visiting the spa, getting enough sleep, and more. 3. Avoid strong soaps and hot water. Strong soaps are not advised for the skin, especially if you have a dry skin type. Daily use of strong soap can take a toll on your skin. It strips oil from your skin and makes it dry. Many soaps are mild cleansers. They help to moisturize your dry skin, and you will feel better. When choosing bathing soap, don't fail to consider your skin type. Similarly, hot waters remove essential oil from the skin. It is preferable to use warm water and reduce bath time. It is best to stop spending hours taking your bath. 4. Eat a balanced diet. Your skin can look its best if you eat a healthy diet. A balanced diet should contain plenty of fruits, whole grains, vegetables, and protein. It is better to avoid refined carbohydrates. Say no to junk foods. It may be difficult to stop the habit immediately, but you can begin by reducing the rate at which you stock your house with such foods. 5. Drink enough water. Your skin will be hydrated when you drink plenty of water. Skin care is not time-consuming, it is not intensive. Something as simple as drinking water can help to contribute to healthy skin. You can decide to pamper your skin by ensuring that you hydrate often. For better hydration, it is best to drink Kangen water. The water is rich in hydrogen, and it can help to restore your body quickly, especially when you are engaging in energy-intensive activities. The extra hydrating ability makes the water obtained from the Kangen machine more outstanding. Water helps to maintain your skin's elasticity, therefore, you cannot neglect it. The reason why you are experiencing dull skin may be because of your water intake. Bonus: protect yourself from the sun. Protecting your skin from the sun is one of the most important ways to get started with skincare. Excessive sun exposure can damage the skin. It causes wrinkles and increases cancer risk and other skin problems. Therefore, it is advised that you use sunscreen often when you cannot avoid going out. In addition, you need to ensure that your skin is covered with protective clothing. If possible, seek shade. Don't intentionally decide to stay under the sun when there is an alternative. It would help if you made the right choice today to prevent your skin from suffering tomorrow. A daily skincare routine is not as challenging as some people make it sound. It is a lot easier than you think. Many people are suffering from low self-esteem because of their imperfect skin. When you have youthful skin, it boosts your confidence level. However, don't use everything you see on your skin. It can cause severe damage. If you are unsure about a skincare routine, visit a dermatologist. Ensure that your choice of skin care matches your skin type. Some people have oily skin, while others have dry skin. Skin type varies, and you must choose skin care based on that factor. For more assistance, do not hesitate to contact us at Healthy Life Side. We are here to help. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on 5 healthy fruits to complement your diet. And please like, share and subscribe to our channel to have access to other similar videos. If you want to learn more about Kangen water, we've got a bunch of videos about it on our channel, some articles on our blog and even an entire page dedicated to our experience with it. Or, if you prefer, you can always drop us a line, and we'll be more than happy to point you in the right direction.